Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Tosin and welcome to another episode of Elder Living with Tosin. I like to hype myself. So in this video, I'll be showing you 4 healthy drinks that will help you lose weight. In an old video, I showed you how to make your own infused water. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own healthy drinks using simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen. So guys, let's check out the ingredients. Alright, so for the first drink, we'll be using some of these ingredients. The first one is maple syrup. The second is cayenne pepper, lemon, and water. Alright, so it's time for us to get into this video and I'm going to show you how to make your own healthy drink at home. So the first thing first is to cut our lemon and I'm going to squeeze out the juice. And that's what I'll be using for this mixture. So I have my mason jar here with my sieve for this method, so I'm going to squeeze it out. I'm sure you guys can see. Yeah, so that's the water coming out. So I'm using the sieve just because of the seeds, you know, and all of that. So I want it fresh. All right, so I'm going to use the second half. Okay, so we are done with this method. And we have our lemon juice ready. So what I'm going to do now is to pour inside this glass. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And I'll add my maple syrup. So for those who don't know, maple syrup is actually a sweetener that you can use. It's one of the sweeteners you can actually use instead of sugar or any other thing. So I'm going to add water to this mixture. And then we stir. Make sure you stir this drink very well. So right now your healthy maple lemonade is ready. So the second drink is honey and lemon. So I have with me here the honey that I'm going to use in the drink and lemon that I'm going to squeeze into the mason jar. Alright, so I have my lemon juice ready and I'm just going to pour this into my cup. Then I'll take 3 spoons of honey. Alright, so the second drink that I'll be making today is honey and lemon juice with hot water. Or you can use warm water if you choose to. So I'm going to add my hot water first into the cup. Then add 2 spoons of honey. And lemon goes into it. So you stir and your drink is ready to go. So the third drink is lemon and ginger cleanser. Woo, woo. So I'm happy for this one. So here we have our ginger already blended into juice form. And I have my cumin here, powdered cumin and lime juice. So now first of all, we'll be starting with our water. So I'm going to pour water into the glass cup. Then add my ginger, a ginger drink into the cup, just 1 tablespoon. All right, and then the lemon juice inside, and the last one, which is the cumin powder. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of cumin inside. And it's time to stir. So make sure you stir very well. And your drink is ready. Alright, so this is the last drink that I'll be making today. And with me here, I have the kale that I'll be using, the apple cider vinegar, and my water. So I'll start off by blending my kale, and I'll add some of this inside the jar, tucking in well. Okay, so I'm gonna add water inside the blender. Now it's time to blend. Okay, so our kale is ready, and I'm gonna pour some inside my glass. So now I'll add the apple cider vinegar into our kale and stir. So stir, and this is ready to drink. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it and you also got one or two information on how you can also make your own healthy drinks at home. So guys, if this video was really helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and also share with your friends and family on social media. So guys, until next time, stay healthy and bye for now.